NBC2 is on top of breaking news. An RV exploded in Naples. A gas leak caused an RV to explode.
Flames seen here spreading to the top of this gas station canopy near Pershing and Cicero Wednesday afternoon.
Do they need help moving the rest of their cars?
Propane is a possible suspect. It was an RV the owner traveled the world in. A similar fire happened recently in Aurora. No one was injured here, but still another going up in flames.
There is a good chance that all of these fires that you just saw could have been prevented by having one of these gas stop valves installed and checking the propane every day with the gauge, especially for leaks. But let's have Martin, the founder of GasStop, explain how this whole thing works. All right, folks, so we have here Martin. Martin, tell us a little bit about your company and the product that you're promoting here.
So I'm Martin, I'm from the Netherlands. I'm the owner of GasStop. We are a Dutch, Netherlands-based company. And we actually make a safety device for propane cylinders. On the American market, this is the only device that shuts off 100% in the case of a major leak. You can also do a minor leak test with it. And we have a pressure gauge. There's no such thing as like a level gauge that you can measure gas, but this is a pressure gauge. So as soon as the liquid is gone in the cylinder, you will know that you are at the end of the cylinder. So that's the last 30 minutes of usage. If you attach the gas stop to your cylinder and you attach the hose, the gas stop is directly on the source and it will shut off in case of a major leak. If I do the same, I install it and I have the hose attached and I prime this, I need to prime this product. Then I close the cylinder again, I trap the gas in the system, and within 10-15 minutes I will know if there is a minor leak because I see this needle dropping in the system.
So Martin, what is the statistics of the RVs going up in flames though?
Yeah, so we discovered that in America there are like 20,000, 25,000 RV fires every year. It will come down to like 5 accidents per day.
Wow. So then why is this product better?
So there's actually nothing, it's not like better, it's just what we make is a device that shuts off 100%. So a lot of people think you have a cylinder, there's an OPD valve in it. The OPD valve only functions when nothing is attached. As soon as you attach something on the cylinder, you have no such thing as 100% shut off. So we are the only manufacturer that produces this in the United States.
Gotcha. Is this something that's easy to install, or can anyone install this?
Yeah, it's hard to actually answer that question because everybody is different, but it's very easy to install. If you can install a hose to a cylinder, you also can install the gas stop to your gas system.
Gotcha. So, okay, so one thing that you mentioned, why do we have to push that button down?
Yeah, that's a very good question, Glenn. It's the system is actually, there's a little ball bearing in the system. So we build on a flow rate, not on pressure. I'm not relying on the spring. If there is a little ball bearing here, the gas goes through the system, and as soon as the gas goes faster than normal, it will pick it up, the little ball, and throw it in like a little hole and shuts the system off. And because I'm not relying on the spring, it will always work.
Gotcha. So then that being said, we would only need one per RV? What?
Yeah, so this is an Acme device, an Acme model. If you normally use a GasStop Acme like this one on a cylinder. If you have an automatic changeover, I advise you to actually put on each tank a cylinder of a GasStop.
Gotcha. Even like for my barbecue grill?
Yeah, that's a good question also. The barbecue grill, we have a special one for the grill version because that's a different flow rate. But you would put one on your cylinder for your grill as well.
So then I understand that if a hose kind of gets cut and all of a sudden the gas comes out, you mentioned it could also detect minor leaks?
Yes, correct. So
How would you do that?
yeah, we have there's a difference, right? We have a 100% shut off in case of a major leak. That's more flow rate than normal usage. We could not make this a minor leak shut off, otherwise you couldn't use not normal gas. So what we have done is actually with this indicator, so you open the cylinder, you need to prime this, you will see the pressure on the cylinder, and then you close the cylinder again, you trap the gas in the system, and when the system is okay, you will see the needle will put at the same place. If you come back after 10 minutes and that needle has dropped, you know you have a minor leak somewhere, you can do something about it.
Wow, that's genius. Well, that's great. Now, is this something that we can purchase here in the United States? Do you have a website?
We do. We have, I think, a very informative website. You can read about GasStop. You also can go to the frequently asked questions. If you go through there, you will understand a lot better what GasStop is and why you would need it. You can buy it at Amazon, you can buy it at TechnoRV, you can buy it many different companies that sell it.
We'll make sure we'll put the link down at the bottom so they can get it at Amazon. Beautiful. Awesome. So I appreciate that. And thanks again for bringing that concept here.
Thank you for your time. And guys, be safe.
Here's a suggestion, and this might be controversial, but the point is this. My recommendation, and it's just a suggestion, that you should not drive your RV with your propane on or having your fridge running with the propane. It's just not a good thing to do. I've seen too many people, and I've heard in the forums that I've been, that the cause of the fire was because of having the propane on while driving, especially for the refrigerators. And they're changing it to 12-volt operating system, which is more efficient and less hazardous. So there's got to be a point here. The suggestion is that if you're going to leave for several days, normally I turn my water valve off when I leave, and also your propane tank, shut it off so this way it can prevent any potential hazards. If you want to rest your head at night on the pillow knowing that you and your family is safe from any propane leaks, then get yourself some of these. You won't regret it. So GasStop has a special until the end of the month, January 2024. Guys, if you go down in the description, you go to the Amazon link, there's going to be a special link that if you put that in there, you not only will get your GasStop device, but also you'll get the hose that's a 90-degree angle for tight spaces. So take advantage of it before the end of the month. So like that, you can have a peace of mind knowing that you and your family will be safe. So thank you, and don't forget, take advantage of that special. All right, it's been about 5 minutes because this is what happens when you read the instructions. In the instructions right here, it does says after 3 minutes, if there's no leak, the propane tank and appliance can be turned back on. So it has been 5, not 10, and you can tell that my gate's still in the same spot. So we're good, and I put my sticker protected by GasStop. I can't emphasize this enough. You must get one of these for each propane tank that you have, just to have that peace of mind. And what's nice now I have a gauge that can tell me how much propane I have in here. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and in the description below you can have a link to Amazon to buy this product. And just for the end of the month, they have a special promotion that you can take advantage. That is January 31st 2024. After that, you just can go on Amazon on that link and just purchase the product. So I hope you like this video. Again, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and be safe. Safe travels.